Hi everyone, I'm Vitalis Unique. Welcome to my channel, How to Tech. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the add friend button on your Facebook profile to follow button. Please don't forget to subscribe if you find this video helpful at the end. Facebook is one of the most popular social networking sites with over 2 million users. Users can create a Facebook profile with many features, and one of these features is the follow button. When a user clicks the follow button next to a page they are interested in, Facebook will send them updates from that particular page or profile. Okay, once you open your Facebook, you click the bars at the right corner, top right corner, click settings, then you click profile settings, click privacy, you scroll down. Okay, before I show you that, let's go back. Let me show you how and what I'm about to do. So open your profile, you click the three dots and you go to VRs so that you see how your profile looks to viewers, like what they look like when a visitor comes to your profile. Now it's showing add friend. So but I'm going to after this settings now, after what I'm going to do, we'll still come back and you see the transformation, the change. You will see the change. So let's go back to the settings. So like I was saying, you click settings, you click your profile settings, click privacy, you scroll down and who can send you friend request, click who can send you friend request. You change it from everyone to friends or friends. That's number one step you have to take. Then you go back. Who can see your friends list? You change it from public to friends, so that only your friends can see your okay, after changing who can see your friend list to friends, I think now we should go back to our profile and see how and what it looks like now. So you have to go back to your profile again. You click the three dots that is over there, then you click VRs so that you will see how it will appear. Wow, see, now you can see the add friend button has now turned to follow button. So this will make it very easy and possible for people to add you, to follow your profile instead of adding you as a friend. So once they follow you, they'll start getting updates from you like a normal Facebook page. So that's how it looks like. Your friends return to followers. Thanks, and don't forget to subscribe.